This is Mohammed from CyberBooks.Dev. Today we're going to go over 3 objectives for bookkeeping or accounting practices to handle customer onboarding. The objectives are to create an easy customer onboarding experience, to create excellent first impressions for new customers, and to also have a cost-efficient back office process. And I'll explain how in just a moment. The way that this is going to work is that within the customer onboarding process, we need to send our prospective customer a payment link. That link could be available on our website, or it could be sent via SMS or email. Once the customer makes the payment, they will automatically receive an invoice via email related to that payment. On the back office end, once the payment is successful, a new customer profile will be created in QuickBooks Online. Once that's done, the sales receipt will also be automatically created in QuickBooks. And finally, the business owner or general manager of the bookkeeping business will receive an email notification informing them that they have a new client. We'll come back to the repeat 12x in just a moment. Let's look at the situation from the customer's perspective. The customer comes in and arrives at a checkout page for a 12-month subscription for bookkeeping services priced at $250. When the customer hits subscribe, this payment is going to process, and like we said in the flow, once that payment is successful, they should receive an email via they should receive an invoice via email. So let's go back. Yes, we can see that the payment was successful, and if we go to the email, yes. Hi Vlad Johnson, thank you for being our customer. Here you can view the invoice or download the invoice. Let's just give it a view. And sure enough, this is the copy of the invoice for the customer. Okay, so this was from the customer perspective. How about the backend perspective? We should see the customer and their information, their name, their email. It should be all in QuickBooks. So let's head over to QuickBooks, go to the customers area, and then we're going to search for our new customer, Vlad. And sure enough, we can see that we have a customer named Vlad Johnson. All right, excellent. Next, we need to double check the sales receipt. Has there been a sales receipt created for this customer? Indeed, yes, we see that there's a sales receipt for Vlad Johnson that we can view or edit. Perfect. Next, and finally, we're gonna check if we, as a business owner, we received an email notifying us that a payment was made by a new customer. And we can see here that, congratulations, Vlad Johnson is the customer. They paid $250 for this service. And if you'd like, you can view the sales receipt directly in QuickBooks by clicking this link. And surely, yes, we have the sales receipt in front of us for Vlad Johnson. Now the 12x is simply there because the person who made the payment, the new customer, subscribed to a bookkeeping service, which means that every month the payment gateway will deduct $250 from the credit card that the customer entered, and you will receive a sales receipt in your QuickBooks automatically, as well as email notification as a business owner automatically every month whenever that payment happens. So to wrap things up, today we covered how we can automate the onboarding process and make it an easy experience for our customers, make the right first impressions, and of course, make it cost efficient. We did this by automating the data entry process into QuickBooks to create a new customer profile and to create a sales receipt. All of this was done from simply one single checkout page that the customer filled out. This was Mohammed, and feel free to reach out with any questions.